Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I have a couple cards using the new Blue Knight Rubber Stamp Clear Stamps Beach Stuff 2. For my cards, I also am using the Birthday Sentiment set. These are actually photopolymer stamps. Blue Knight is known for their red rubber stamps, but they have started to create some of their newer sets in photopolymer, especially when it comes to sentiments and smaller images. The Beach Stuff 2 stamp set has the bicycle, small, medium, large size, the cluster of butterflies, small and large, the single sailboat, small and large, and the cluster of ducks, small and large. The birthday sentiment set has different birthday sentiments, a total of 6 of those. Let's get started. I'll have all the products that I'm using to create my cards linked below in my description box. So I've die cut a circle. This is a fluted circle. It's Spellbinder's die. It's the largest of the dies in the set. And I'm grabbing these waffle flower background blenders that I recently received as a Christmas present from my family. And I'm going to try them out here to blend a sky background and grass background. So I have 2 colors of Catherine Pooler inks, and I'm using Oh Boy and Grass Skirt. And you'll see I have this acrylic stencil mat that I have placed down on my Glassboard Studios mat. And this is going to hold that fluted circle in place so it doesn't move at all while I'm ink blending. And these blender brushes are pretty hefty, so you can really get a lot of ink on your blending brush. This is the first time I've used them, so I'm just getting the hang of them. But I can tell that you have to kind of press a little bit hard into your ink because the surface area of this blender brush is quite large. And when you're grabbing your ink, it's okay to press down a little bit and then to put your thumb on the top of the blender brush instead of the way I'm holding it here. But in all fairness, I was trying to just gently build up my color. I didn't want to go in with a heavy hand and make it too dark of a sky. I do like these brushes, especially if you have a large surface area that you're trying to blend, or if you have a large stencil that you're blending. And as you can see, I was just basically going for some ink blending, nothing fancy. I did grab some of that Oh Boy and went over the sky again with that. After I got done ink blending, I put my fluted circle die cut that I ink blended into my MISTI. I used some tape just to make sure that that circle doesn't move. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp the large bicycle using VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink, stamping the bicycle on the bottom half of the circle. For my sentiments, I'm using the Blessings stamp, which basically will, when you ink it, it'll ink all of those sentiments that are in the top all as one, and then the blessing word is separate. So it's 2 different stamps with the larger stamp containing the multiple different blessings, phrases that you can use, and then the blessing word itself as a separate stamp. While I'm stamping and die cutting these, I want to tell you that Blue Knight Rubber Stamp, you can find them on their website, and they also have a Facebook group called Fans of Blue Knight Rubber Stamps. You just have to ask to join, and you can join. You'll get to see posts made by the design team and also all of the new products that Blue Knight is coming out with and updates on their traveling schedule. Blue Knight is a mom and pop stamp company, small business owners, but they will travel all over the United States, actually starting this weekend, the weekend of January 30th. All over the United States, they will travel promoting their product, and I will tell you a little bit more about that in a minute. But first, back to my card. The fishtail tags that I created using pattern paper that I had in my stash. I'm just going to go ahead and glue this bicycle down to the middle, and then I'll put my sentiment. The large sentiment says blessings, and the small sentiment, which I'll put underneath, and it says 1 in a million kind of day. So I thought that was cute as an encouraging card. This is actually a 5x7 card, in case you're wondering. I don't normally make that size. And then I have a smaller card to the right, which that's the bonus card. I'll show you how I made that at the very end of this video. So this weekend, January 30th and 31st, Blue Night will be at Stamp and Ink Fest in Lawrenceville, Georgia. And I will have a link below in my description box for all of the stamp shows that they will be traveling to this year. Blue Night also owns StamperCon, which is a stamp show that is held in Allentown, Pennsylvania in April, and then in West Springfield, Massachusetts in June, and then in York, Pennsylvania in October. But they also participate in a lot of stamp shows all over the United States. Here's a list of all of them. I would encourage you to get to one of these if you live anywhere near any of these. These are great shows. Let's move to card number 2. Now for this card, I put a black matte piece of cardstock for my matte layer. Then using a polka dot embossing folder, I embossed a piece of cardstock and layered that on top of the black matte layer. This card uses a lot of matte layers in black. It also has teal, and it's got the birthday sentiment from the Happy Birthday Clear stamp set. That sentiment says, "Happy birthday, sing, dance, eat, play, and repeat." And I didn't write down the exact measurements of these strips of paper. I'm guessing about 1.5 inches for both of them. And then the matte layers, the teal and the white, smaller. I also punched several black circles and several white circles, and that will be the focal point of this card. I have stamped the small bicycle from the Beach Stuff 2 3 times, and I'm just repeating the 3 bicycles on the front of this card. I think this is a really cute card for a birthday. Monochromatic, but still, you know, it has the different color with teal, the pop of teal, and it has a little bit of texture thanks to the embossed panel using the dots embossing folder. You can make this card for get well soon, encouragement, thinking of you. Let's move on to card number 3. Basically, for my last card, I took an A2 card base, put it inside the MISTI, placed 2 strips of mint tape to the left and the right of the card base, and centered my medium-sized bicycle. I'm using the Blue Night rubber stamp magnetic ink pad handle. This handle is wooden, and there is a magnetic base that comes with it. You adhere the magnetic base to your ink pad. It gives you a great handle with great grip so that you don't drop your ink onto your card project. I'm using Monarch ink by VersaFine Claire for my center bicycle. That says a purple color. This is the medium-sized bicycle from the Beach Stuff 2 stamp set. I'll go ahead and clean my bicycle and stamp using Tulip Red. And I'm putting these bicycles in a line following each other. And again, I'm using the magnetic ink pad handle. Helps you handle your ink without dropping your ink pad, which I don't know about you, but I have ruined many a card by dropping my ink pad after I was completely done with the card because the ink slipped out of my hands. Anyways, this is a clean and simple card, and it can be created really quickly so that if you're in a hurry, you need to grab something to create at the last minute, or you want to create like mass quantities of a birthday card. This could be for either female or male, and I'm just simply stamping happy birthday underneath the row of bicycles. And I'll go ahead and stamp the happy birthday with Monarch ink, which is a beautiful purple color. Allow me to share with you some still photos of my finished cards. This is card number 1 with the large bicycle on the large fluted circle with scrapbook paper accenting on a 5x7 card base. Card number 2 is an A2 card. It has the bicycle stamped 3 times inside the circle medallions. And card number 3 is clean and simple on an A2 card base with the bicycle stamped across the front in 2 different colors and the happy birthday underneath. Thank you so much for watching today. Please give this video a thumbs up and please leave a comment. I'd love to know what you think about my cards. Thanks so much for watching. Have a hopeful day. Bye-bye.